How does life begin? Various religious philosophers and scientists have commented on this. Currently, the most widely accepted theory is biological evolution. Scientists believe that the animal gradually evolved into a human being due to various factors such as the distinction of life, starting from a small microorganism. There is a reference to the original material of the Aganya Sutra in the sermon of the Supreme Buddha. It is said that the beginning of the world there was a big sea and it was warm, and when it cooled up, a delicious earth appeared on the surface of the ocean. It is said to have been as colorful as honey or butter or honeycomb. Scientists have also commented on such an earth. Moreover, it has been scientifically proven. Science ideas were first uh, proposed by Halliday and Alexander in 1924, in what became known as biochemical evolution or naturalism. The above scientists who put forward this opinion could not confirm it, and it was experimentally proved by Professor Harold D. Urey and Stanley L. Miller is a scientist. Scientists believe that the various molecules in the atmosphere have undergone physical and chemical change, and that the energy needed to do so came for lightning, volcanic heat, and the sun's ultraviolet, etc. The tiny organic molecules are permanently deposited on the Earth's surface, and the thousands of years of continuously rain on the Earth's surface have used that Earth's surface to collect that water mass in the lowland. From in the oceans have in high concentrations covered tiny organic molecules on the ancient oceans. It is concluded that these small molecules in the ocean were further subjected to chemical reaction to form complex large organic molecules here. Small organic molecules combine chemically in different way to the for different large organic molecules. It can be concluded that amino acid form proteins to form nucleic acid to monosaccharide molecules. Thus, the ancient oceans were composed of organic compounds and were called ancient soup because the ocean was like a soup. Therefore, this ancient soup had the necessary ingredients for the formation of the first life. Therefore, the ancient soup mentioned by the science and the taste of surface area mentioned by the Buddhism bear some resemblance. Also, Buddhism gives two reasons for the emergence of the light. One is the arrival of advanced life on this planet and the beginning of the life by becoming prisoners of the element of the earth due to their unsatisfied activities. Other thing is the new life began on this planet. This planet. Uh, the functioning of the nature is ignorance. For example, look at how water is created. Hydronic gas and oxygen continue to form water. Hydrogen and oxygen did not combine in the conversation. Bonds were formed due to their mutual support. In the Buddha's philosophy, it is the called ignorance. Due to the ignorance of nature, creation substances are created in the environment. In some material are nucleus and cell body associated with it can be seen. It's what science called microbes. Buddhism considers the beginning here as matter. There are two image regions, two image rings. Its nucleus is called the object decay zone. That is the first stage in the heart of advanced organism. Cell body are the first stage in the body of advanced organism. Listening carefully to this. Touch is the main factor that makes the material created by nature into life. Okay. Touch is the main factor that makes the material created by the nature into life. Energy is generated by the relays touching each other. For example, rain clouds collide with each other to generate thunder. Okay. Thunder is not something that was in the rain cloud. It is born of touching. Like this fire. Fire are created by such touching. And when the something touch material, the energy of consciousness is born. Materials comes alive at that moment. Materials comes live at that moment. As soon as animal cells touch, the nucleus accepted the sensation. At the same time, there is an inquiry of the born mind. It feels happy or sad. Timing or respond to it. What that process? The basic structure of the brain becomes part of the nucleus itself. The part of the substance that feels that pain due to the touch case by the least feel like its own body. In this way, the organism constantly respond to external touch and absorb the substance part of the body as the mind. The animal tries to shake the body in response to the external objects. It uses energy. Thus, energy is equal to heat. Buddhism call it the preparation of karma. Here, the energy released from the heat when the body is shaken is the energy of sin, and the energy emitted by the cool and light without it is merit. It should be considered as sin energy as the original living being emit weak heat energy. Pin energy comes only after the becoming highly advanced begin like human beings. Okay. Pin no merit. Energy comes only the after becoming highly advanced beings like human beings. The next important point is that the ego on the substance develops strongly due to the uh, touch of the substance and the constant acceptance of those external touch. Accordingly, he think of matter as body, and the touch of this substance is felt with sorrow or consolation. And by attempting to shake this substance again, a worm or sinful energy is released. Reacting in this way, the image is destroyed due to the uh, expiration date of the material. The image is destroyed due to the expiration date of the material, even if the image is destroyed. The ego that grow out of the image is not the story. This ego develops as the mind. The mind filled with that ego takes up space with the worm energy released when the body is shaken. In this way, the animal moves to new animal bodies and matures the mind. Thus, the maturity of the mind increases and new organs are added to the body. The eyes, ears, nose, and the organs gradually come together. As the heated sin energy increase or decreases, the animal body decides to shift sometime to an advanced animal body and sometime to undeveloped animal bodies. When the heat intensifies also due to the bond formed by the animal's materialization. These substances do not go beyond the world. At one time, the bodies of the material world received invisible subtle bodies, and at another they receive touch bodies. It is determined by the power of sin or the power of heating. Meditate and strengthen this coolness. Because of this, these animal get very delicate animal bodies that are free from the very fine solid matter that they have developed. It is an spontaneous rebirth. Spontaneous rebirth. When the animal meditates, only the mind is active, so the organs of the body, these possess are different from the human body. Thus are they entitled to a long journey of dying and being born. That is to say, when external objects come through the eyes, ears, nose, thumb, body, you should stop enjoy the pleasure and sadness. Then the ego disappears. Those pains are so subtle that you have to keep your mind focused and stop focusing on the intentions that come to the sense, and then your life journey will stop. Thank you.